DJI continues to dominate the drone industry with cutting-edge technology, stunning camera quality, and intelligent flight features. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, an aerial photography enthusiast, or just looking for an advanced drone for your adventures, DJI has the perfect option for you. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best latest DJI drones, breaking down their key features, performance, and why they stand out. Stay tuned, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest deals. Number 5. DJI Air 2S Fly. The DJI Air 2S Fly is a compact yet powerful drone designed for travelers, aerial photographers, and content creators who want stunning 5-point video, intelligent flight modes, and hassle-free flying. Combining portability and high-end performance, this drone delivers breathtaking shots with ease. At its core, the 1-inch CMOS sensor captures 20 MP photos and ultra-sharp 5.4/30p video, ensuring incredible detail, vibrant colors, and excellent low-light performance. Whether you're filming majestic landscapes or cityscapes at night, the Air 2S delivers pro-level quality in a compact body. With master shots, the drone automatically plans flight paths, captures cinematic shots, and edits footage, making professional aerial filming effortless. The intelligent HDR hyperlapse and panorama modes allow you to get creative with stunning visuals. Safety is a priority with 4-way obstacle sensing and a PAS 4.0, which helps the drone navigate smoothly even in complex environments. The O3 OQ-Sync 3.0 transmission system provides a stable 12 km range with ultra-clear 1080p live feed, ensuring a seamless flying experience. The Air 2S Fly More combo includes extra batteries, ND filters, a charging hub, and a shoulder bag, extending your flight time and giving you more creative flexibility. Number 4. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is a compact and agile FPV first-person view drone designed for aerial enthusiasts and content creators seeking immersive flight experiences and high-quality footage. Building upon its predecessor, the Avata 2 introduces significant enhancements in design, performance, and user experience. Weighing approximately 377 grams, the Avata 2 features a sleek design with integrated propeller guards, ensuring safety during indoor and outdoor flights. The drone's dimensions are 185/212/64 mm, making it highly portable and suitable for various shooting environments. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, the Avata 2 captures stunning visuals with enhanced low-light performance and dynamic range. This upgrade allows for more detailed and vibrant imagery, catering to both amateur and professional content creators. The Avata 2 offers impressive flight capabilities with a maximum ascent speed of 6 m/s in normal mode and 9 m/s in sport mode. It can reach a top horizontal speed of 27 m/s in manual mode, providing thrilling flight experiences for FPV enthusiasts. The drone's maximum flight time is approximately 23 minutes, allowing for extended aerial sessions. Utilizing DJI's O4 video transmission system, the Avata 2 ensures enhanced stability and a maximum transmission distance of up to 13 km. The system supports 1080p/100 fps live view with a latency as low as 24 ms, delivering a seamless and immersive FPV experience. The drone comes with 46 GB of internal storage, capable of storing approximately 90 minutes of 1080p/60 fps video, ensuring ample space for capturing your flights. Number 3. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is a groundbreaking addition to DJI's lineup, offering a unique blend of portability, performance, and user-friendly features tailored for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Innovative design. Weighing under 249 grams, the DJI Flip boasts a distinctive folding mechanism where each arm, motor, propeller, and propeller guard seamlessly fold beneath the drone's body, resulting in a compact form factor ideal for travel and on-the-go adventures. This design not only enhances portability, but also ensures safety with integrated full-coverage propeller guards, allowing for worry-free flights in various environments. Impressive imaging capabilities. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Flip captures stunning 48 MP still photos and records 4K video at 60 frames per second. For social media enthusiasts, it offers 2.7K vertical video recording, ensuring content is optimized for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Additionally, the drone supports 100 fps slow-motion video in full HD 1080p, allowing creators to capture dynamic scenes with exceptional clarity. User-friendly flight experience. Designed with ease of use in mind, the DJI Flip supports multiple control methods, including palm control, mobile app control, voice commands, and traditional remote controller operation. Its palm takeoff feature enables quick launches without the need for additional equipment, making it perfect for spontaneous shooting sessions. The drone also features a forward-facing 3D infrared sensor for obstacle detection and auto-braking, enhancing flight safety. Number 2. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a compact and lightweight drone, weighing approximately 135 grams, designed for enthusiasts and content creators seeking a portable yet powerful aerial companion. Its sleek design and integrated full-coverage propeller guards make it ideal for both indoor and outdoor flights, ensuring safety and ease of use. Equipped with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, the Neo captures 12 MP photos and records 4K video at 30 frames per second, delivering crisp and vibrant imagery. The drone's single-axis mechanical gimbal, combined with DJI's Rocksteady and Horizon balancing stabilization technologies, ensures smooth footage even during dynamic maneuvers or in windy conditions up to level 4. The Neo offers multiple control options to suit various user preferences. It supports palm takeoff and landing for quick deployment, can be operated via the DJI Fly app on a smartphone, and is compatible with traditional remote controllers for more precise navigation. Additionally, voice control functionality allows for hands-free operation, enhancing the user experience. For content creators, the Neo includes intelligent shooting modes such as quick shots, which automate complex aerial maneuvers to capture cinematic footage effortlessly. The drone also features AI-based subject tracking, ensuring that the subject remains in focus throughout the flight. With 22 GB of internal storage, users can store up to 40 minutes of 4K/30 fps video, or 55 minutes of 1080p/60 fps footage, eliminating the need for external memory cards. Number 1. DJI Inspire 2 drone. The DJI Inspire 2 is a professional-grade drone built for filmmakers, aerial photographers, and content creators who demand cinematic excellence. Combining power, speed, and intelligent features, the Inspire 2 sets a new standard in aerial cinematography. At its core, the Inspire 2 features a dual battery system providing up to 27 minutes of flight time, ensuring uninterrupted shooting sessions. It boasts a top speed of 58 mph, 94 kp, making it one of the fastest professional drones available. The drone's self-heating battery technology allows for reliable operation even in cold conditions. The Inspire 2 supports DJI ZenMuse cameras, including the ZenMuse X7, X5 SE, and X4 SA, offering RAW6K video recording for Hollywood-quality footage. With Cinematic and Apple ProRes support, filmmakers get maximum flexibility in post-production. The advanced image processing system records at 5.2x/30p and 4K/60p, ensuring stunning clarity and detail. For precision and safety, the Inspire 2 is equipped with dual IMUS, obstacle avoidance sensors, and a real-time FPV camera for seamless navigation and pilot control. The Spotlight Pro mode allows solo pilots to capture dynamic tracking shots effortlessly. With master-slave dual operator control, one pilot can focus on flying while the other controls the camera, enhancing creative possibilities. Whether you're shooting a feature film, commercial, or documentary, the DJI Inspire 2 delivers professional-grade results with unmatched reliability and performance.